Welcome, friends, to another quick episode with healthy starts in the kitchen. Here is the second recipe for this week: easy, quick quinoa recipe and a lot of health benefits to add to your lifestyle. Cook once and use it for the whole week, either making it sweet or savory, whatever you like. Stay tuned and find out why add quinoa to your diet and how you can add it to your lifestyle. As I talked about my weight loss journey in the last video, there were two whole grains that did the trick for me. One is brown rice and the other is quinoa. Mostly, I was switching between these two to get maximum benefits and nutrients. Let us cook the quinoa first, and I will share the health benefits of quinoa, how to lose weight and have more energy. Place a pan on the stove, add 1 cup of pre-washed quinoa. Heat the pan on high flame. Add 2 cups of water. Do not add any salt or herbs because with this recipe you can use the cooked quinoa for sweet as well as savory dishes. Stir and cover the pot and let the water boil. Cook for about 5 minutes. As it boils, stir, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes until it's cooked. And now let me talk about the reasons why you can have more energy with quinoa. It is referred to as the mother of all grains and has been eaten for thousands of years in South America and has become a trendy food reaching a superfood status. I use quinoa most of the time because it is a whole grain with a good source of plant proteins. That means no bad fats. Yay! It is gluten free, high in proteins with all the 9 essential amino acids. Hence, it is a complete protein and a good meat substitute for vegans. It is rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, manganese, B vitamins, vitamin E, potassium, and high in antioxidants. It improves blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. The high amount of proteins increased my metabolism and reduced my appetite. The fiber also increased feelings of fullness, making me eat less calories overall, and I still have good energy. Quinoa is easy to cook and to incorporate into any diet. Yes, it is high in carbs, and carbs have a bad reputation. But no, brown rice, quinoa, and the whole grains are your good carbs that you need for energy. The bad carbs are to be blamed, which are the refined carbs, which include sugar sweetened beverages, fruit juices, pastries, white bread, white pasta, white rice, and others. Everyone is different, and if you feel high carb diet does not work for you, just add a little for the good carbs to give you the energy and a good profile of nutrients. Let's check the quinoa. You will see a little white tail, which is the nutritious germ, and open eyes of quinoa. That means it is ready. If you see moisture, just keep the lid open after cooked. The moisture will dry out. 1 cup of dry quinoa will make about 3 to 4 cups of cooked quinoa. Tip number 1. For easier cooking, quinoa can be cooked in a rice cooker with the same ratio of 1 cup quinoa to 2 cups of water on white rice settings. Tip number 2. There are many types of quinoa. We mainly see three main types: black, red, and white. Besides color, they are very subtle in their differences and flavor. I use the white quinoa most of the time. Here are some ways you can add quinoa to your diet. Start your day with a protein rich breakfast with quinoa, choices of nuts, fresh fruit, and raisins. Make quinoa lapsi my favorite dessert, which you can also have with some milk for breakfast. Recipe link in the description. You can make pancakes with quinoa. Quinoa tastes like rice, so you can add it to any dish. Stir fry some veggies, spices, and add cooked quinoa. Make it a savory dish. Add a cup of cooked quinoa to any soup or salad and make it a full meal. For more recipes, visit honeylemonginger.com/recipes. Until next time, see you soon.